Food. This is the third chapter of science textbook, and the topic for today's lesson is basic food groups. Objectives for today's lesson are: children will be able to identify the names of basic food groups, recognize different foods for each food group. Let's start our lesson by recalling the importance of food in our life. Why food is important for us? Why do we need food? What do we get from food? Yes, we need food to live and grow. Food gives us energy. It helps us to fight against diseases. Healthy foods build our bones and muscles. We eat so many kinds of foods daily. We can put different kinds of food in different groups. These different groups of food are called basic food groups. Basic food groups are fruits and vegetables, grains, dairy products, proteins, fats and sugars. Alright children, let's discuss basic food groups starting from grains. Grains such as bread, rice and pasta are very important source of many nutrients. These give us energy. Examples of grains are plants like wheat, oat and barley. All cereals belong to this food group, grains. Our next food group is fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are low in fats. These are the source of many nutrients, and these keep us away from many diseases. Our third food group is dairy products. Dairy products include milk, cheese, cream, butter and yogurt. These provide us energy and keep our teeth and bones strong. Next food group is proteins. Proteins include poultry, fish, meat, dry beans, eggs and nuts. These help us to grow, repair and renew our body parts. Our fifth food group is fats, oils and sugars. Although these provide us energy, but these are not healthy foods. So we should avoid these to be taken in large amount. Fats such as butter, cheese and oils belong to this group. Sweets such as desserts, chocolates, candies and jellies contain a large amount of sugar. These should be taken in a very small amount. Let's watch a video regarding food groups. Watch the video and note down all the main points. Don't forget to relate these with the discussions done so far. So let's start with the video.
Let's learn the names of the food groups. Fruits. Fruits. Vegetables. Vegetables. Grains. Grains. Proteins. Proteins. Dairy. Dairy. Now let's learn about each food group. Fruits are great for your body. They contain vitamins, potassium, and fiber. Common fruits include apples, strawberries, oranges, bananas, and grapes. Vegetables are great for your body. They contain vitamins, fiber, potassium, potassium, and folic acid. Common vegetables include broccoli, carrots, peppers, and lettuce. Grains are great for your body. They contain fiber, vitamins, and iron. Common grains include oats, bread, pasta, and rice. Proteins are great for your body. They contain iron, magnesium, vitamins, and zinc. Common proteins include eggs, fish, beans, and nuts. Dairy products are great for your body. They contain potassium, calcium, and added vitamin D. Common dairy foods include yogurt, milk, and cheese. Great job!
Hope the video was interesting and you enjoyed it. Let's discuss assignment number 1 as a written task for day 1. Note down the food items of your lunch platter today. To which food group does each belong? Fill in the table below. Children, follow the instructions and fill in the given table, and you need to do this task in your notebook as well. Assignment number 2 is the written task for day 2. Answer the following questions in the notebook. Question number 1. Why do we need food? Question number 2. Name 2 foods that keep your bones strong. Question number 3. List 5 food groups. Children, these questions have been taken from page number 20 of science textbook. These have been discussed within the lesson, and you can take help from science textbook as well. Alright children, coming towards the recap session of the lesson, let's discuss the given question. Name the 5 food groups. Just think about it. This is no more difficult for you. You can recall very quickly. Well, coming towards the answer, 5 food groups are grains, vegetables and fruits, dairy products, proteins, fats, oils and sugars. Well done. Alright children, do the given tasks very neatly into your notebooks and take good care of yourself.